to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to put your site under construction, especially you guys who are using WordPress. It's gonna be easier for you to do that, but there's some certain plugins which are very good on that. And also, if you're not using WordPress, it's easier, very easy. You have to learn something about HTML. So if you're not using WordPress, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna, let me see. Okay, let's leave it like this. If you're not using WordPress, you're going to create a file. I'll show you a file how to do that. Let's start with those guys who are using WordPress. You say plugins, then say add new. When you say add new, click here, add new plugin. Look for under construction. So when you get under construction, you're gonna find a plugin called which is designed by Noah, WebSoft. Okay, I can't get that, but I'm gonna get it. That's the best plugin I know of, and I've been using it for years. So this is the plugin I want you to use, guys. Under construction, yes, you're gonna see this thing is like a peg. You can see Noah Kagan. So if you can see that Noah Kagan, it's like a what, not a peg, what's called a cone. So you know these traffic cops cones. So the thing is gonna be like that. Then say install. After installation, activate. So after activating, you're gonna go and say once we activate it, it doesn't mean it's working, because I'm gonna go to my site and I show you. Okay, when you visit, the website is there, you understand. So it simply means you didn't do anything. So what you got to do here is to go back and go to that plugin and say settings. On settings, you can now go and say on. When you say on, you say okay. After doing that, when we refresh, it's gonna show okay, that under construction thing. Did I save anyway? I was supposed to save the settings. After saving the settings, I'm gonna refresh. Okay, the reason why it's doing this because I'm logged in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Chrome instead of using Firefox, because I'm logged into Firefox, so it won't give me a chance to. It will show like I'm busy working, so it's working, but it won't show exactly what we need. Let's log into Chrome, and then in our Chrome, we're gonna try to go to kingmusa.co. .za. Then say okay. You see now it says coming soon. So now it depends what you want to do with your clients. You can tell your clients some good message. You can send it and say here there is advanced. It's gonna show you the option. Say okay, save, display default under construction message, display custom. So once you set display custom, then add current address. No, once you say custom, let's see, save changes. And where's the custom message? Custom message is here, and you say under construction page, whatever you can put here, the body, and say under construction. Then you say head, we busy with, let's say we are busy. We can any good message. We are busy with our website. Okay, then we can say contact us on 01144 262.27.88. You can put that and say yeah, that is what you need. And here you can say put in this area the HTML you want to show on your front page. So we don't have to do that. We save, and then after saving we're gonna check what is good for us. You can say it looks good, neat. This is something amazing. Let's see. I wonder why it showed that. Maybe I didn't save. Let me save. It should. Something went wrong here. Did I save? What did I save? Okay, let me go back and do the saving. And after saving, remember it deleted now what we wanted to display. So let me go and say this. Okay, it shows this. Why? There's no message here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna type in and say display custom. Oh, it says custom HTML. We don't need that. Display default under construction, display default under construction page, but use custom text. Okay, this is what we have to choose. We don't have to select this. Once you select that, you're gonna say under construction, we are busy with our website. Then we can say contact us on 011-262-2788. So once you've done that, next save. After saving, you can go back to the site, and you can see now, yeah, we are busy with our website, and contact us on, so that you leave the message to the client that they should contact you on which number. So once you're done with that, everyone who visits your website is gonna find this. So if you find this, then simply means it tells this person that these guys are busy with the website. So when they are done, at least there is some contact numbers to contact them. Understand? That's super cool, guys. I'm done with that part. I want to take you to another part. That part is the part of creating an HTML file. If you have access to your what they call what do we call it, FTP folder, this is the thing you're gonna do. You're gonna go to your computer and look for any text editor. I got this one. So in that, you open that. So after open that, you can say, you can do this doc type, then you say HTML equals to HTML. Okay, you save, you do this, you close this, and then you say you can say here title, and also you close saying title. Then in that title you put your website name. Maybe we're gonna say Azania tutorials. Then after that, this is done for people who don't have WordPress, but if also the one for WordPress, you can do this. You can use the same thing. Then after you say here, you don't forget to say, this is HTML, guys, so easy. Head, you close the head, and also you can open the head here. You can open the head here, head, and you close the head. Then you come here and say body, you open the body, there you go outside and close your body here, and then you go out and say HTML. Then after that, you come into the body here and say we're gonna put a h1 which is gonna be h1, and close here and say h1. Then we're gonna say under construction. Okay, then after that you go down here and say h2. I'm gonna put h2, which we're gonna come here and say h2. Then after that, you know, every tag you open you have to close it. I made a mistake here. Then you say contact us, on that number. Then you come back here and you delete one of these things, you close. Once you're done with that, you save. How do you save this? We're gonna save the file on desktop. We're gonna save it as index.html. Once you're done with that, you save. After saving, have your HTML file. Let me try to find it. This, we open it with applications like what? Firefox. When you say Firefox, then you can see it tells you under construction, contact us. So that file, you can see it's skewed. You can give it background color, whatever, or what you need, but this time we're gonna do only one thing, is to center. So we're gonna center that to the center, and guys, we're about to finish. Just 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, even 1 minute. Then after that you center that, then you save. After saving, you can go back and open that file and say open application with. Okay, you can see now we have centered this. So we're done with the page design. Now what you do, you're gonna get this page, you see this file, you drop it into your FTP folder on the root folder, or you drop it inside your WordPress folder, root folder. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. I thought that was a very important tutorial to do, though some of you know about it.